Progressive web apps are the future of mobile app development. We have a lot of clients looking for mobile applications. But they have some standard questions like, will mobile apps benefit them? Does mobile app make sense, or what challenges will they be facing? What is your take? We have uncovered 4 big things which are stopping people from taking the advantages of native mobile technology.
What is native mobile technology?
It is a mobile application building technology where we build apps for particular mobile operating systems and the users access them from dedicated app stores, like Google Store and App Store.
So what were those 4 big things?
The 4 big things are: cost. The application has to be built on iOS, Android, and there has to be a solution that has to work on the desktop as well, which makes it more expensive in cost. Native apps are opaque, which means that you have to be thoroughly into the application to see the content of the application. Whatever is put there cannot be easily linked and is not easily discovered, indexed by any search engine. Difficult to get people on board. To get people to actually reach the step where they have to install the application is a big task. People think twice before installing, maybe because of the size of the app, or the permissions it is asking for, or maybe the cost which you need to pay. It is a long process to get the users from social media posts or somewhere to the App Store, and them actually installing is not easy. Changing and updating with time. But changing and updating the app is not easy when it comes to native applications. You have to go back and forth with all the process and then work out with Apple and Google. Sometimes it might get rejected, which takes time. All these points can be termed as the marketing barriers for the company. This is the reason people prefer responsive website.
Yes, but it is not a very comfortable and smooth journey. So is there any middle ground which we have come up to which can help this?
Yes, the middle ground is termed as progressive web app.
What is progressive web app?
It is a technology where we take some technologies that are used to build responsive websites, including some new technologies that are available, and the end result starts to look more like a native application.
Oh, but it is built using the responsive website technology.
Yes. It is built using the same technology we used in creating the website, and with this all the problems we had in the native apps are solved with the progressive web app.
So here you have only one app built and it can serve as iOS, Android and desktop. All in one.
Exactly, and therefore it is cost-effective. It is complex to build, but the end result solves all the problem. Companies that switched to PWA.
Flipkart, India's biggest e-commerce site. They combined their web presence and native app into a PWA to allow their current and prospective customers to have instant access to their store. Flipkart has tripled time on site with their PWA. Users spend an average of 3.5 minutes on Flipkart Lite versus 70 seconds on the predecessor. It also generated 40% higher re-engagement rate among first-time visitors.
The Washington Post, biggest news and entertainment platform. Switching to PWA was a critical decision for long-term success. 88% performance improvement. 63% increase in mobile search users. PWA are great for retention as well.
The Weather Channel, the company behind weather.com, switched to progressive app to reach out to users who don't have the latest smartphones, reliable connectivity, or there is a significant cost for downloading an app. 80% improvement in load time. PWA got available in 62 languages in 178 countries. The app supports 62 languages using one codebase.
AliExpress, largest online shop on the planet, switched from responsive site. 104% increase in conversions. 2x more pages per visit. 74% increase in time per visit.
Forbes, top US business magazine, switched from responsive site. 43% increase in session, user. 100% increase in engagement. 6x increase in article completion.